Well, as it exists right now, no. Part of the issue is that we need to have, so I actually met with members of the Port of Providence last year, and one of the things that I talked about was, well, how do we address some of the issues that currently exist? Like around that area has one of the highest asthma rates in the country. And so we need to, one, have a true plan, and we already started that, where there are people who are sitting at the table from RI Commerce. There's been conversations with community members to really transform the port, to make it a true working port with green and blue jobs. But right now, if we're going to expand the footprint without actually making real environmental mitigations, but also holding the polluters accountable, it's going to be quite problematic, and it's actually going to hurt the surrounding communities. So I think the first thing that we have to do is have a plan. And also, you know, the state of Rhode Island, Don Ewer was the leader of a legislation. It was one of the best environmental legislations that we've seen in a long time. And so this is an opportunity to really make some true environmental investments in the port. Hold those who have not been doing what they're supposed to do, not engaging with the community, polluting the air, accountable, but also create a comprehensive plan where we can continue to attract clean, blue jobs in the city, so that people from the surrounding communities have access to that. So expanding it in the condition that it is right now, no, it would hurt the surrounding community. We have to hold them accountable, and we also have to have a plan where community voices are part of that plan. Because, you know, earlier, when it was said, you know, the community has been screaming, yes, they have been screaming, and they have not had a seat at the table. So we have to intentionally, right? We can't expect them to come. We have to intentionally outreach to the community and ensure that there is a place at the table for them. And also, they shouldn't be there just to talk, but we have to hear their concerns and embed it in the plan that is created.